Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step by step how you can easily use SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey is an amazing tool that you can use, and I believe after watching this video you will know exactly how to use it. So the first thing that we are going to do is just click here, get started. Now in a moment when you're gonna get started, I'm going to copy the email address here. Okay, click next. You can of course sign up with a Gmail, etc. And I'm going to add the password. Create account. Now let's just wait until it loads and we are going to continue, and I'm going to teach you everything what I know. Now if you're starting out guys, and if you don't understand something about SurveyMonkey, definitely ask me down below in the comments and I'm really happy to help you. So in a moment when you're here, what we can find. So you can simply click on the top left on the dashboard. Then like what industry do you work in, let's say education. We would complete the profile. And then we are going to create the survey here. Then my surveys. And let's see, is the create your first survey. So I'm going to add a title. Let's say this is going to be a YouTube channel. And we are going to ask questions about the channel. You can also use the templates, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So in the moment when you're here in SurveyMonkey, what we can find. So we have the builder here, and we can add a question. So enter the question, and this is going to be like how long it's going to take to make a video, right? This is the question one. And what is the end? What is it's going to be? A multiple choice, a comment box, single text box. Okay, so or comment box, right? Now you have option to, let's say I'm going to add a star rating here, or I can add an image choice. But let's go for a next question. Look at this. How I'm going to take a video? Bam, comment. Question. What type of color thumbnail is going to be? And I can add a red, blue, yellow. And you can also use the Answer Genius, and you can choose from these. You can also add another for like answer options, and then like click save here. And wow, look at this. So how long is it going to make a video? You can always edit it guys. And what type of color thumbnail is going to be. So this is how you can always choose. So now let's say I'm going to add a date and time. And you can add a question about it, right? You can always cancel it. You have multiple options here, like text A/B test. Now, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, about SurveyMonkey, what you can do here, what you can achieve here, like ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, because this is just like introduction what you can do here. So I can also add a star rating here. How much you like the YouTube video. I can add also the options here that you can require answer to this question. You can adjust question layout. So that's what you can do and how we can work with it. Now you have option to then just click save. See? And this is how it works. Then when I go even further, I can add a drop down. And I can simply choose, like, let's say I want to have a slider. How much you like working here. Then I would click save. See, and they can choose. but a lot of these guys are premium. So a lot of these you won't be able to use if you're not going to use the premium version of it. So right now, let's say I'm going to choose contact information here, right? That's another one that you can use. Or text A/B test. See, so name, company, address. And again, you can, if you want, you can require an answer to this question. And you can even say like to which of these you want to have a required answer. And voila, here you got it. So this is pretty much it how you got it, and this is pretty much it how it works. And you always see, guys, like when you're gonna move on a builder, you can simply see what it's going to look like. And that's really great, so you don't have to actually put it to your formula. Now you can always change the appearance here, but all of these are for the premium. So that's what you can do. Then you're gonna have like question randomization. These are all paid if you want to use them. And then you have also options for the quiz. So the progress bar, page numbers, if you're gonna have like multiple pages. And then you're gonna have also the question numbers, the survey format. And that's pretty much it. Now when you got it, and let's say you're finished, you can go to preview and score. Okay, how long is going to take a video, what type of thumbnail is going to be, and you see how it's going to look like on mobile, on phone, or PC. Now when we have it, we are going to click next. And then we are going to verify the email. Okay. And now I'm going to refresh the website. I think I already like verified, but I need to check. Verify the email address. Okay, and target your either responses or send it by email or a link. So I can simply send them by email, but you need to have upgraded version, or you can share a survey link. And when you have it, like they have paid, this is premium. So I'm going to delete it so I can use it. So all of these are paid. And now I'm going to like send service your way, share a link. And look at this. Now I would copy it. And what I can do next, I can simply go to incognito mode. And voila, here I got it. So I would just like, how to make a video, 10 hours. What thumbnail? All right, done. And voila, now it's submitted. And I can see the results here. So, I got a new response. I would click on it. How long does it going to take video? 10 hours. What type of color thumbnail is going to be? Red. So as you can see, this is how it works. It's pretty easy, not that difficult. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. This is how you can use SurveyMonkey. This was an introduction tutorial. If you want to learn deeper about SurveyMonkey and what you can do here, ask me down below in the comments. And I hope you are going to have a great day. And yeah, see ya.